Mastering legal vocabulary. Navigating prefixes and suffixes in employment law. Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing a rather intriguing part of English language learning, understanding prefixes and suffixes within the context of employment law. Specifically, we're going to focus on employer obligations, prefixes and suffixes. Knowing these will give your professional and academic vocabulary a great boost, especially if you're interested in legal and business English. Let's kick things off with prefixes. Prefixes are short bits of words we add to the beginning of a root word to change its meaning. In legal terms related to employment, some commonly used prefixes include non, mis, dis, re, and un. Let's explore these more in depth. Non. The prefix non often indicates something that is not done or does not exist. For example, non-compliance refers to the failure or refusal to comply with a law or regulation. Mis generally refers to incorrect or wrongful actions. In misconduct, for instance, an employee has acted wrongly or improperly. Dis. The prefix dis signifies a negative or reversing force. In the word dismissal, it means the action of dismissing someone from employment. Re typically implies again or back, as in re-employ, which means to employ someone again. Finally, un is often used to express the negation of an action or state. For example, unpaid means that someone has not been paid for their work. Now that we've covered prefixes, let's move on to suffixes. Suffixes are added at the end of a root word to alter its meaning or to show its grammatical function. For employment law vocabulary, suffixes like ment, ants, ion, ity, and ship are often employed. Ment. The suffix ment indicates an action or resulting state. For instance, employment means the state of being employed. Ants forms nouns that indicate a state or condition, such as compliance, which refers to the state of obeying rules or standards. Ion. The suffix ion forms nouns that refer to the process or result of doing something. For example, termination refers to the process of ending something, often an employment contract. Ity helps to form nouns from adjectives, indicating a state or condition. For instance, liability is the state of being legally responsible for something. Ship. The suffix ship denotes a state or condition of being something. Partnership, for instance, refers to the state or condition of being a partner. And that wraps up our session on employer obligations, prefixes and suffixes. Having a firm grasp of these will significantly improve your understanding of employment law vocabulary and broaden your overall English proficiency. Practice these prefixes and suffixes by trying to spot them in legal documents or business articles. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, and remember, mastering a language is a journey, so enjoy every step of it.